are fit and fine. Myself, Priyanka Joshi, I am your science teacher. So students, in our previous video, we have almost completed the second chapter, that is the nutrition in animals. So today, I am taking the important points related with their chapter, and it will help you in the revision of the chapter. Okay, so let's start some points one by one. So students, now our first point is amoeba. So what is amoeba? As you all know, the amoeba is a rounded, irregular shaped organism. So what is the definition of amoeba? Read it from here. Amoeba, it is a simple unicellular organism which is found at the bottom of fresh water. It is present in the fresh water. It is found in pond, lake, oceans. Okay. Now, it has a cell membrane, a rounded, dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. You can see with the help of this diagram also the irregular body of the amoeba, and it has many bubble-like vacuoles present in its cytoplasm. So, the amoeba takes nutrition by forming the pseudopodia. These are the pseudopodia. Okay, so by forming these pseudopodia, the amoeba takes food vacuole inside it, and after some time the food vacuoles digested by the cytoplasm of the amoeba. So this is about the amoeba. Now next is cellulose. So what is cellulose? Cellulose is present in green plants. It is digested by the ruminants, that are the grass eating animals. So okay, what is the definition of cellulose? So you can define cellulose. It is the main substance found in plant cell wall. This is the main thing, plant cell wall. Okay, and helps the plant to remain stiff and strong. So this is the definition of cellulose. Cellulose is a main substance found in the plant cell wall. It is present in the plant cell wall. Now it provides the plant to remain stiff and strong. It means it provides the support to the plant. Okay. Next important topic is liver. Third one is liver. So what is liver? Liver is the largest gland of our body. It secretes a bile juice. That bile juice is stored in a gallbladder and it helps in the digestion of food. So, what is the definition of liver? It is the largest gland. Liver is the largest gland in the body. In the human body. Okay. So, it secretes bile juices. It secretes bile juices that is stored in that is stored in a sac called, that sac is known as gallbladder. Okay, called gallbladder. That sac-like structure is known as gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The fats are mainly digested by the bile juice. Okay, so in this way you can define the liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juices that is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. This I have already discussed in the video of human digestive system. Okay, so the bile juices secreted for some time in the structure that is known as gallbladder. And the bile, what is its function? So its function is it plays an important role in the digestion of fats. This is the function of bile juice that is secreted by the liver. Okay, so the next one is fourth important topic is the ruminants. So what are the ruminants? Students, I know you all know what are the ruminants. So for revision, I am taking this topic again. So ruminants are the grass-eating animals. Those animals which eat green plants. They are come under the category of ruminants. They are the grass-eating animals like the cows, ox, buffalo, sheep, etc. Okay, these are some examples of ruminants. They are the mammals which can digest the cellulose from the plants. They are grass eating, and as you all know, in green plants the cellulose is present. So the cellulose is digested by the ruminants. Okay, so ruminants are the grass eating animals. They digest, they have the special digestive enzyme that are the cellulose digestive enzyme. So that enzymes are known as cellulase enzymes are present in the body of ruminants. They help in the digestion of cellulose. So this is the ruminants. Next one is, next topic is, that is the fifth one. is the related to ruminants itself. Now, what do you mean by rumen? Rumen, it is a spatial structure, or you can say it is the largest part of the ruminants. Okay, it is the largest part of stomach of the ruminants. It is present in the stomach of ruminants. It contains the undigested food. So here I write the definition of rumen. Rumen is the largest part. It is the largest part of ruminant stomach. It is the largest part of ruminant stomach. What are the ruminants? The grass eating animals. Okay, so it is stored it for rumen. Okay, rumen is stored partially digested food called as the partially digested food is called as cud. C-U-D, cud. Okay, student. So when the ruminants eat, so student, please listen carefully. When ruminants eats grasses, they swallow it into their body, and dead grasses directly come into the spatial structure that is the rumen. And in rumen, the food particles digested partially. Clear? And you have seen mostly when the cows are not eating anything, still they doing the chewing. So in rumen, the undigested food is present. That undigested food is known as cud, C-U-D, cud. So the undigested food cud comes back into the mouth of the ruminants, or you can say cows, ox, buffalo, and they start again chewing it, and after that it goes in the other parts of the body, that is the small intestine, large intestine. And the process when the cud comes back into the mouth of the ruminants, after that matlab it's again chewing process is known as the rumination. Okay, so this is the rumen. It is a part of a stomach and it is the largest part present in the ruminant. Okay, and in rumen itself the cellulose digesting enzymes are present. The cellulose is digested in the rumen. So this is the major difference between the digestive system of human beings and the digestive system of ruminants. The presence of the rumen. The rumen is not present in the digestive system of human beings because we are not eating the green grasses. हम ऐसे घास फूस खा के जिंदा नहीं रह सकते हैं. Why? Because cellulose and we are unable to digest the cellulose. Okay, the cellulose digestive enzymes are not present in our body. They are present in the ruminants. Okay, so this is all about the rumen. Next is, so student, next topic is villi. Now, what are the villi? Villi are the finger-like outgrowths present in the small intestine. Their structure is like somewhat this. These are the finger-like outgrowths, and through this area the absorption takes place. And absorption of what? The absorption of digested food. So you can see when the absorption takes place through these structures, it means it also increase the surface of absorption. Okay, you can see the food particles are absorbed from the surface of these villi, and these villi are present in the small intestine. This is the structure of the villi. Okay, so what is the definition of villi? You can define villi like villi are finger. You can understand like this beta also. These are our fingers. So this here the absorption of food particles take place. So such structures are present in the small intestine, and they increase the absorption area for digested food. Okay, so you can define the villi. Villi are finger-like outgrowths. Villi are finger-like outgrowths. Where they are present? Outgrowths on the inner surface of small intestine. Inner surface of small intestine. Okay, so the villi. Now this is the function of villi. Now I am going to write the function of the villi. So the villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Okay, so this is all about the villi. Okay, so you can define it again. Villi are the finger-like outgrowths on the inner surface of the small intestine. There you can see there are two questions related with villi. Where the villi are present? So villi are present in the small intestine, and what is the function of villi? So the villi increase the surface area. The surface area for absorption of the digested food. So in the role of small intestine is the absorption. So here with the help of villi the digested food are absorbed. Okay, so this is all about the villi. So students, in today's video we have discussed about these topics, that are amoeba, cellulose, liver, ruminants, rumen and villi. I hope you all understand it very well. And students, your today's homework is write down these important points with definition in your science fair notebook. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you very much, and please take care of yourself. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay, goodbye.